Welcome back to another tutorial with your instructional coach, Leslie Johnson. So today we are talking Google Sheets and protecting your work. So this is the collaborative sheet that we are going to be practicing with. To add a sheet, and this is kind of in the way here, my little video thing, I'll right click on mine and I'll just click duplicate. There should be a plus sign over here where you make your sheet. Now, here's my copy of Leslie. I double click to just change it to copy, whatever, right? Now, if I want to just protect the sheet, I can right click right there and choose protect sheet. Google is smart. So it tells me here the sheet is protected. The name of the sheet is copy. I could use the tiny triangle to choose another one, but I'm just going to leave it at copy. I think it's easiest if you are protecting the sheet you are currently working in. Then I'm going to click set permissions. So I can restrict who can edit this range, which means there's only certain people who can edit it. Right now it's set for me and I believe anyone in the class. So if I don't want that, I can click on custom and make it only me, or go back to custom and I can start putting in names like Mr. Wolgamuth, we'll say, like there. Whoops, that's not the right one. Can't spell his name, right? So I could add him as an editor. Click done. And now it's showing that, well, I need to like tell him that I shared it. So I'll go ahead and click share. And now it's telling me that copy has this little lock, meaning it is a protected sheet. Now, if I wanted to just protect a range, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this sheet again. And let's get rid of my funny little Bitmoji and maybe add a color behind this just to make it a little different. We'll use bright green. Woo! Oh, I should have merged all of these cells together. There. Now my awesome joke is all in green. So if I want to protect a range of cells, I can highlight one cell. And now that this is open, I can add a sheet or range and I can just click there and it's automatically selecting A1 through F1. And I can again click set permissions. This time I'm going to say only me. Done. But that means that anyone else can edit these things. So let's go ahead and make a few more changes. I'm going to make some blocks of color here. Now, if I want my blue box to remain untouched, again, I highlight that. The other option is to right click, scroll down to find protect range. And it automatically tells me that E7 through G13, so E7 through G13 is going to be protected. Set permissions, custom, only me. Or I can do all of these people and click done, change is saved. It's as easy as that. Hopefully that helps you protect your work and feel better about collaborating with people, especially collaborating with students who sometimes, they make mistakes. But this way, your template will always be the same. You will be the sole editor of a certain piece, or you and another teacher can collaborate to create something that you'll share with your students. All right. That's it. Sheets. Easy peasy, I hope. Thanks.